Hey guys, what's up? If you haven't heard by now, my Mother of Fred channel did get a partnership with YouTube, so yay! 3 years in the making. Well, 2 years with this show, but 3 years trying to become a partner on YouTube. It's finally paid off, so I'm happy. I'm truly happy. In fact, I'm gonna write it all over my car. I'm gonna make a video for Mother of Fred. So yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay, we're outside and leaves are everywhere. Besides that, Dan wrote all over his car. Well, not all over it. Oh, wait. Holy cow. He wrote all over his car. You guys can read it. I just became a YouTube partner. Mother Fred. Woohoo! Yeah.
Yay.
He's happy about it. What do you think of being a YouTube partner?
A Yoo-hoo partner?
YouTube, whatever.
Well, one thing about the Yoo-hoo partner, I think it's pretty great.
Okay. Says,
I think it's freaking cool.
I
This is
just
like when we were
became
first
a
married. It's like you had to write
YouTube
just
partner.
married all over the car.
Mother Fred. This is...
This is the most pathetic looking tea ever in the history of... Don't even film it. Don't you dare. You gotta erase it. It was like a retarded tea. The stands for turn it! Turn it! Turn it! Holy shit, I just fell.
Hear that, everyone? 3 years.
I'm working for this for 3 years. 3 years. Yeah, don't film the car. They'll think the car is talking. Actually, that'd be cool. I'm Mr. Dead, the car. It's like Mr. Ed the horse. It said, I'm Mr. Dead, the car. Actually, it's me. It's just a guy talking. It's really weird, doesn't it? Here. I've been working at this. Wait, I gotta give a speech just like they do at the Emmys and stuff. I'm so proud to accept this award. I want to thank God first and foremost, and I want to thank my agent.
Oh.
What, losers? And I want to thank
smell
my
trouble.
stinky neighbors.
I smell trouble.
I want a boy.
I told my nephew cut the doo-doo off the umbilical cord.
Well, I want a boy so I can teach him like all the man things, you know? I don't know all
What
the
man
woman
things do you know?
I know how to support myself.
There you go. One.
What do
That's not
men
the only one.
know about women?
Not much.
Gillies with dinner for some old friends and Mom, and we haven't been here in forever, so we don't really know exactly what we're doing. Hello. See if we can find him in here. Oh, I see him over there. There you are. Yeah, so we're here. Oh, holy shit.
This is Alicia, Dana's wife.
Hi. How are you? Good.
Few minutes thereafter.
Absolutely. That's a good idea.
We're all here,
Yeah, it's very sweet.
eating. Do we have a time check?
Let's get the part that says I'm going to let you go so you can visit with Lori, but after I drop them off, I'll be back to the house.
6:04 p.m.
So are you guys going to want to...
Mom wanted me to film this.
Are you guys going to want to go to the grocery store tomorrow? Yeah.
Payphone is free for the first 3 minutes. Then it's 25 cents for each 15 minutes thereafter. Long distance varies.
Yeah.
That's going to be the title of this video. Payphone is free.
So I'll get on there, Daniel, and look at your... You get on there and look at yourself.
Yeah, really.
What?
It's Al. Me and Al have been friends forever. These two have been friends forever.